Hi, Mr. Mohammed from RAHHAL International Company from Saudi Arabia. We are aware you are here, Mata ITEX 2023 in Science Conventions exhibitions with several great services for Hajj and Umrahs from global individuals, guests. Mr. Mohammed, we also have opportunity in the coming time as Saudi Arabia is becoming really advanced in high-tech. We will have a opportunity to fly individual with the air taxi. Yeah. Yeah, please kindly tell us about the services inviting Malaysians and overseas.
Company. Welcome everyone to Mecca and Medina. We have Umrah provider, we have Umrah visa, also accommodation in Mecca and Medina, different category, 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, all transportation, meet and assist, ground services, also with the full board like Malaysian food, and there is different international food also. And we have also our property that's in Jeddah city, in Mecca, and that's also hotel in Jeddah. And this is for transportation. It's different kind of transportation, meet and assist also. And that's it. So in Hajj we have rooms during Hajj season, Mecca and Medina. Welcome everyone, and we are glad to serve you, inshallah.
Very good. Thank you very much, Mama, for your information. Hi, viewers who are observing the video, can contact the website address, please.
Yes, our address it's in Mecca and Jeddah. We are in Mecca and Jeddah, Jeddah Al-Faisal, but you can follow us on our website, www.rahhalint.com. That's our
Okay.
website.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. See you. Bye bye.